Welcome back, our viewers. Thank you for joining us today. Today we'll be talking about straw brim. Most people call it straw brim. At times I don't know, I call it straw mat. So it comes in different sizes and it comes in different shapes. We have the circle and also it comes in different colors. So these are the circle straw brim. That's for the gold and the peach. So we also have the second shape, which is the oval shape. Now this one is a gold brown. We can actually form different shapes using these straws and they come out beautiful. This particular style I'm making for this oval shape mat or straw mat, you can as well use the circle one to form exact shape, but it might not come out as beautiful as this oval shape. Reason being that this has a longer length. So I'll be pinning this style down and then later I'll be securing each joints with thread and needle. You can as well use fishing line in order to avoid the visibility of the thread. So this is for this. Now I'll be pinning it down. Same goes for all of the rest to straw brim. So I'll be teaching us 3 styles and they'll come out amazing. So you can also do a lot of things with straws. You can stone them, you can beat them, you can do a lot of things, and that's the amazing thing of straw. There are some straw materials you can actually mold. Yes, you can mold some straw materials. So that is for this. We are done with this, so we're moving on to the gold circle straw brim. So for this gold circle straw brim, I'd also want to show you the particular style I did for the brown one and to show you how this one would also come out. It might not look as beautiful as the gold one. This is because it doesn't have a longer length. So you can see I'm trying to form exact shape as I did for the brown, but it's not really giving me that exact shape. But you can actually work with this too if you'd want. So that's just the amazing thing about straw. There are different ways of just keep manipulating it. You just get to see that you formed a very nice shape and you start working with it. It can also be loosened. If you'd want a smaller circle, you can get your blade, loosen from the point you would want it to stop, then the rest can be used to decorate, or because the rest can be used as an embellishment. So that is just it. So now I'm playing around with this and it's already coming up. The style is coming up. You can see I'm actually from the bow, I'll be attaching the 2 ends together, one side of the end together, and it becomes a hat. You can see how beautiful it's now looking. Now imagine how it's going to look when you start embellishing. You can put feather from the middle and it protrudes up, and you can beat the reds. You can also stone them. You can add flower, big flower, and it comes. You see how amazing the thing will come out to look. So we're moving on to the peach color. You can see my thought is just making a bow with this, a big bow, and it came out amazing. It came out amazing. So this is one you can actually do, and then you pin them down. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.